Hello viewers, just a quick update for you. If you use Google Translate, the app has received a new upgrade based on user feedback. According to the Google, on August 26, Google began roll out a new language practice feature designed to help improve your vocabulary. Now Translate can create personalized listening and speaking practice sessions just for you. These interactive lessons are generated instantly and adjust to your skill level as you go. To get started, you just tap practice on the app, set your level and goals, and Translate will create custom scenarios for you to practice with. In each scenario, you can either listen to conversation and tap the word you hear to improve comprehension, or practice speaking with helpful hints whenever you need them. From the interface, you can choose preset scenario like a dinner, conversation, daily interactions, or common vocabulary. Behind the scene, Google Gemini AI model generate these language learning sessions. The feature could be especially useful if you rely on Translate regularly. At the moment, it's unclear whether this will also come to desktop. If it does, I will keep you updated. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.